What's up, everyone? I'm Bill. I'm with Kalimoto TV. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another Super Beast video. I wanted to bring you guys along with me today. We are out here in this beautiful black roads of Vacaville area, going out to Winters, actually Lake Berryessa. So for you guys that follow me on my rides, we ride out here on these back roads. But today we are out here taking some photographs of the Super Beast, and I wanted to bring you guys along and show you guys some modifications that I've done to the truck, and explain to you guys a few minor issues that we've had with equipment. Mainly the equipment that we have a Canon camera that we have dedicated to the vlog, and then we have wireless mics that both of them have gone on the fritz. So the last couple videos that we filmed, the audio has just been absolutely horrible. So we've done some mods to the truck, and I wanted to tell you guys about the mods on the truck. But the videos that we filmed for the mods, well, they didn't quite turn out. So we've got some stuff on the truck, like the new Recon tinted mirror lights that are white running lights, and then sequential amber lights running lights. So they look pretty sick. I'm excited. Fairly easy to install. So if you guys are looking to do these, they take about an hour. 20-30 minutes both sides. One of the bad things is you do have to remove the mirrors to get the cap off, but outside that, super easy. Some of the other mods we've done actually to the engine, we did do the BD diesel transmission module upgrade. This is the pressure switch module that goes into the transmission, bank number 2, I believe, and this basically helps with the shifting, and it decreases the line pressure and everything. So far, been working out great. We installed actually at the same time the actual hard module, which plugs into the transmission. And we were having some issues with the shifting, and after I talked to BD Diesel, they said you got to run one or the other. You can't run them both, so kind of sucks. But outside that, what else? Oh, we've got, so Instagram. If you guys follow us on Instagram and Facebook, I'm going to try to get a little bit more involved in that. Right now, if you guys are on our Instagram, you guys see that we just post videos. I would like to try to get some more behind the scenes stuff, or some more sneak preview stuff, because we have some stuff like new headlights coming from Morimoto. So when we get those installed, we will get you guys some photos. But Eddie's going to be taking over and doing some stuff to the truck again. He's going to be adding some a little bit more paint. Give you guys a sneak on this one. The back end, I'm trying to figure out what I want to do with the platinum plaque. I really kind of like the platinum plaque, but now that everything is blacked out, it's kind of out of place. So let me know what you guys think about the platinum plaque. I was thinking about, Eddie's going to be doing the taillights for me. He's going to smoke them out. Kind of a light smoke. As you guys can see up here, the third brake light's smoked out, but it's blacked out. You can see it, but it's black. We just want to smoke these out. We don't want to get in too much trouble. So let me know if you guys think that this would be a cool idea. What about if we smoke it? Just a light smoke over the platinum plaque. Let me know. Also, if we did the plaque, do we do the grill? Now, the front end, we're looking at doing some stuff to the front end, some modifications to the bumpers, front bumper, rear bumper. The problem that I have with the grill is I don't quite have a grill that I really like. So let me know your suggestions on grills. Fab 4 bumpers are pretty much at my heart right now, so it looks like I'll probably be doing some Fab 4 stuff. So if you guys are associated with Fab 4, tell them I'm looking. Fuel wheels, done. Bushwhacker side skirts, done. So we're gonna get rear bumper, front bumper at some point in life. Taillights are gonna get smoked out. What else have we done? Oh, and then of course, you guys have seen that Eddie, obviously painted all of this. So let's do a little walk around on the truck. I put an extended, some of you guys might laugh, I put the extended bender, extend a bed in here when two of my bikes just are too long when the tailgates are down when I haul them in the truck. So I put this just to kind of hold the ramp in and just be a little bit more secure when the tailgate's down. So that's done. Tail light's been smoked out. And then of course, Eddie blacked out all the chrome. We color matched the handles. You guys have seen all of this, but really for you guys that are new to the channel, kind of just showing you guys, we blacked out and we painted the pillar pieces. So these are paint, help with the scratching a little bit. Of course, the mirror caps are painted, and now the new Recon lights. Wait till we get to the rear, because I'm going to show you guys another Recon light. Of course, we've got our platinum plaque and our 6.7 Power Stroke diesels all blacked out. The rims, these are fuel rims. We're running on the Nito Ridge grapplers. Brakes are coming soon. We are going to be doing a quick little video about the Power Stop brakes, so stay tuned for that. The light bars are probably going to be coming out because we're going to probably be doing a new bumper, but we do have that small Vallis on the bottom, which we've got some mods coming to that thanks to Recon, so stay tuned for that. Blacked out emblem, of course, which looks sick. Morimoto headlights and fog lights are coming to the channel, so stay tuned for that. Oh, you guys haven't seen this, and I don't know. I gotta try to get the right... Well, first of all, I gotta get the mic over here. We had Capital City Autographics do the hood, and I think they did a great job, but you can't, I don't know if you can see it. You can't really see it because it's so high. So I don't know, but the hood's been done. It kind of looks cool. You can get a glimpse at it. At some points, you can see that little horseshoe's been done. And then coming here, we've got, of course, the antenna stub and 4-inch exhaust with the down dump. Let's see if we can get this lightened up a little bit. So we've got our down dump, 4-inch exhaust with our high flow DPF system, if you can see it in there. Oh, and also Eddie painted the rails here, so they're not chrome anymore, they're black. Super clean, super clean. Of course, here's a little better look of the fuel wheels. God, I really, really like the look of the wheels. The fuel emblem, what do we do? We're not chromed anymore. Do we smoke it? That's what I'm thinking. And then, of course, back here, if you guys have seen it, I really haven't talked about it, but check out the Recon third light. Now, the 250s obviously don't come with the DOT lights on there, but I saw it on a 450 and I was like, wait, what's that light? And sure enough, there's a spot for it and Recon sells it. So if you guys are looking for that light there, check it out on Recon's. And I don't know, that's about it. That's, you know, kind of what's been going on with the Super Beast. We're at about 28,000 miles. So I've been driving it a ton. We're coming up on a 1-year kind of anniversary, so I will get you guys a 1 year, but we've got more parts at the house waiting to be installed. So continue to make sure you hit that like button, please. The like button's important, and then subscribe down below if you guys like the Super Beast. But the pictures today we're going to be using for Instagram and Facebook, and trying to get you know, people a little bit more on those platforms. So if you guys are on Instagram, please head over to our Instagram channel. We'll link it all down below. Of course, everything is Calimoto TV. So check us out on Instagram, and please help me get involved a little bit more on Instagram, and let's build the Instagram channel a little bit. But let's take a look at some photos that I took today. I hope you guys enjoyed the update on the truck. I know for some of you guys that follow the channel, I know some of it's repetitive, but I have done the Recon lights and I have done the BD diesel stuff. But stay tuned because more stuff is coming. So thank you guys for hitting that subscribe button and staying tuned to the channel. But let's take a couple pictures and let's take a look at what this truck looks like as a photo.